Hello everyone. My name is Kavin Jindel. I'm a PM intern on the Azure AI team, and I'm here to present Auto Highlight. Auto Highlight generates instant highlights with zero editing required, and they are human quality. It is powered by Azure Content Understanding and OpenAI Reasoning, on top of which we are also leveraging classical machine learning and deep learning. On the screen, you can see what the general architecture is. So the first thing is that the user would upload the video, select their preferences. In preferences, we have the video, what type of video it is, the clip density, and the total duration, along with anything specific they want to see in the highlights. After which we come to the schema generation phase where we generate a custom analyzer for Azure Content Understanding. For those of you who are not familiar with it, a custom analyzer gives us the general map on what information we want to extract from that particular video. After which we obtain it, we also have the human in the loop review. So the user can review it and see whether it aligns to their interests or not. After which we take the JSON custom analyzer and the video, send it to Azure Content Understanding, which helps us segment the video, obtain the necessary information in a JSON output, which we then input into OpenAI reasoning model where we decide which timestamps are worth keeping in the highlights, which would definitely align with what the user is wanting. Here we do multiple iterations in the form of a self-critique loop to ensure that we have the best possible highlight edit plan at the end. And after which we obtain that output, we come to the video stitching phase. Here the user can select different types of transitions, different type of personalizations, and finally they have high quality highlights ready for them in a matter of minutes. The greatest part about this system is it is one system, but it can take any type of video which is present in the world. Now I'll go ahead and give you a demo and also a sample video. Now here on the left hand side of the screen, you can see the auto highlight app. It is an app which runs locally, so the latency is really low. As you can see, the design is very simplistic, easy to use. You don't need any additional training. As you can see, this is divided into several different steps. This is the main step where you have where the user selects the source video, selects what type of event. So now we'll select Satya's build keynote. We want a clip density of 2, so 2 major frames every minute, and then target duration of 101 seconds. And I want to hear to like what major announcements he made. So I'll input it here, and I also review it myself. So I've given a tick mark for the human in review phase. So you can see, so this is the custom analyzer generation step. This is where we generate the analysis through Azure Content Understanding. This is where we generate the highlights edit plan, and this is where we finally stitch the video. So as you can see, very simple to use, very close to what is happening. And on the right hand side of the screen, here is a sample which we ran through it. So this is like highlights we obtained from a part of Satya's build keynote. As you can see, this is capturing all the major moments, like the start. Now you can see the different types of effects. We've given a speed ramp effect here, and he's talking about like the major announcements he has to make. And this is really effective in how high the quality is, how less time it takes, and also how closely it aligns with what the user is expecting. Uh, this was today's video. Thanks a lot for taking out the time, and thanks so much for trying out Auto.